How are you? I'm good. Thanks for asking. How about you? What is your name? My name is Grace. What's yours? Where are you from? I'm from France. What do you do? I work as a professor. What time is it? It's 5:30. What would you like to order? Can I have a cup of coffee? Do you like cold weather? Yes, I do. What do you teach? I teach English. Where is the nearest railway station? It's just around the corner. How do I use this machine? Insert the coin and press this button. How many people are in your family? I have a small family, just my parents and I. Have you ever traveled abroad? No, but I want to visit Germany. What are you doing this weekend? I have no plans yet. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I want to travel the world. Can I borrow your book? Sure. What's new with you? Not much, just busy with work. What phone do you use? I use an Android. Do you like social media? No, I prefer staying offline. How often do you use the internet? Only when I need to. Where can I find history books? Go to the history section. Can I borrow this book? Sorry, this book is for reference only. How much do you earn? That's personal, but I make a decent living. What do you do in the evening? I go to the gym after work. Do you prefer a laptop or a tablet? I prefer a laptop for work and tablet for studying or watching movies. Do you think work life balance is important? Yes, it helps reduce stress. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. Do you follow a healthy diet? Yes, I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. How often do you exercise? I work out thrice a week. Do you have medicine for a fever? Yes, you can take this painkiller. How often do you practice your hobby? Whenever I get free time. How long have you been living here? I have been living here for about 10 years now. Can I help you with that? Yes, please. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling good. Do you prefer to text or call people? I prefer texting. How do you stay organized? I make a to do list every day to stay organized. Which season do you enjoy the most? I love spring because of the mild weather. Do you like staying up late? No, I prefer going to bed early. Do you like listening to podcasts? Yes, I listen to podcasts for self improvement. Do you prefer reading physical books or ebooks? I prefer ebooks because it's more comfortable. What do you usually do on a day off? I like to relax at home. Do you like trying out new technology? Yes, I love trying out the latest gadgets and learning about new technology. What's your favorite part of your day? I love the evening because it's the time when I relax and unwind. Do you like being on social media? I use social media daily to stay connected with my friends. What time do you leave for work? I leave for work around 9 a.m. Do you like dancing? Yes, I love dancing, especially folk dance. Do you know what time it is? It's 7:30 p.m. How do you get to work? I usually drive to work. When do you usually get up in the morning? I usually wake up around 6 a.m. Are you a coffee person? No, I like tea. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I exercise regularly. Can you describe your strengths? Yes, I'm hardworking and a quick learner.